Hello, my name is Rich Meyerson. I'm the principal of Loxahatchee Groves Elementary School, and welcome to our fantastic school. Let me tell you what is so cool about our school. This past year, we became an A school for the first time in 3 or 4 years, and that was done through a lot of hard work. We have great students here. They work extremely hard in the classroom, and we have fantastic teachers. At Loxahatchee Groves, we put a lot of emphasis on the STEAM culture through the 4 C's. It's critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity. One of our pre-K teachers got a grant for a STEM playground. At Loxahatchee Groves, we don't just have one garden, we have 3 or 4 gardens. We also have a great motto.
I'm a Loxahatchee lion.
And I'm proud to say,
I'm respectful,
responsible,
and safe all day.
Thank you for joining us today here at Loxahatchee Groves 2.0, where learning is always an adventure.